స్పెషల్ క్లాస్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేసావా? Hi guys, revision classes will happen on Unacademy. Regular classes will happen on YouTube. Okay. So today we are going to revise whatever we have seen in web technologies. Okay. In the past 1 week, whatever we have seen in web technologies, we are going to revise that. Guys, tomorrow we have a very important session at 1 p.m. and the session is about having a startup plan. Okay, so do you want to do a startup? Why should you do a startup? All these questions will be answered. Okay, don't miss tomorrow's session. No one will teach you that anywhere. The session that I am going to conduct tomorrow, no one is going to teach you that anywhere. I'm going to talk about my life experience with startups. I have 4 startups, okay, and I have a contract with Unacademy. So it is not Unacademy didn't buy my company. Raudra is with me, and 4 startups parallelly, and along with that I am managing teaching, right? And so I think there will be a lot that you could learn from my experience. It will be on Unacademy. You can see it. This is on Unacademy for free. Anyone can join it, just like you did. Okay, so when I'm able to manage these many things with so little time, 24 hours, and you should understand why I am doing this. The first question that will come to your mind is, why am I doing these many things? Why am I working so hard? What is that I am going to gain from it? Right? That is the reason. I'll explain it. And the second thing is, how am I doing this? I have just 24 hours. How am I managing 4 different companies? That is second thing that you will learn. And the third thing that you will be learning is what? Okay, what is a startup all about? So all these questions I'm going to answer tomorrow 1 p.m. and actually 1 hour of time will not be sufficient for it. 1 hour of time will not be sufficient. Okay, so Gautam, I'm not going to talk exactly about what companies I have. That you have to still wait for another 6 months, or you are going to see them live. Okay, yeah, they are not edtech companies. Technology companies only, but not edtech. Yeah, one of it is edtech. After announcement you will know about it. Okay, so don't miss tomorrow's session, guys. What are the challenges of startup? I'll tell you. What are the challenges? Basically, you'll have only one challenge, that is money, right? What is APIPA IP address? I really don't know about it, Gautam. I think Gautam is the only one. So this entire chat is like I'm chatting with Gautam. Gautam is the only one there, huh? Guys, those who are on YouTube, please join Unacademy class. You can download the slides at the end. Okay, Now guys, we are going to talk about HTTP, or basically what is a server and a client. And I told you that a server and a client are two processes, and in case of, so I started my first startup in 2013, that is Raudra Edu Services. Okay, so what is a server and a client? Client is a browser and server is a process which actually serves you the web pages. And we are supposed to have port numbers, and using the port numbers we are going to identify a process. And when you combine IP address with a port number, then that is going to be a socket. And how does the URL look like? So URL is going to look something like this, and everything in square brackets is actually optional, right? Guys, those who are watching, why don't you send some love or keep typing questions? I'll keep answering. Okay, revision session is all about interaction. In regular classes I teach, and in revision sessions we can talk. Okay, just like how you are having a coffee with me. So revision classes are like coffee with RBR. In revision classes you can just talk to me, right? So now the next thing is the parameters. Thank you RV, thank you Prasad, thank you Hari, Dipali. So whatever is there in the square brackets is all optional. Okay, so you can keep asking me whatever you want to ask, not a problem. And you can clearly see that protocol represents the protocol that you are using in the for the data transfer. How to choose an idea for startup? There are tons of ideas. Just Google out. If you Google out about idea for startup, you'll get thousands of ideas. But the problem is who can implement it and who can work hard for it. Okay, and the protocol is, it can be anything. It can be HTTP, FTP, TCP, anything, right? So not TCP, so SMTP and anything. And the host is nothing but the DNS that you give, and sometimes you also can give IP address, and the port is generally 80 for HTTP. And the path actually says what is the program to which you are sending the data. There will be a program and you are going to send the data, right? And parameters parameters actually represent what are the parameters that you are sending. And then there is going to be something called as anchor. And this anchor takes you to a location, particular location. Okay, and basically URL is going to look like this, right? The entire URL is going to look like this. So I have given you a lot of examples, you can go through it. Difference between XAMPP server and Tomcat server. XAMPP is not a server. XAMPP is a collection of different softwares or servers, and XAMPP is using Apache server, and Tomcat is the other server. You have to figure out what is the difference between Apache and Tomcat. Okay, the best thing that you should do is Google out what is the difference between Apache server and Tomcat server. Okay, and the message format, basically server client is going to contact the server through TCP connection, and we are going to go through HTTP. Okay, one second. Meanwhile, if you want to ask me how computer knows HTTP or HTTPS to be taken, sir, so computer doesn't know it, your browser will know it. Meanwhile, you can ask me some questions, guys. How browser identifies and differentiate it. So whenever you contact a server with HTTP only, it will send back a reply asking you to start HTTPS. Yeah, so Raudra actually means indignation, rightful anger, the anger to change the system. Mubin, 10-5 దాని 1 second. 'I have a contract, right? So I think students are more interested about what I am earning, how I am earning. Gautam, yeah, so I have a contract with them, so they will be paying me whatever I earn in Raudra. Okay, great. So rather than focusing on my earning, try to understand how I build a company and how I made money and how I am building companies. Okay. Okay. Manoj, figure it out, Google it out. Okay, that is a simple thing. Guys, before asking me any questions, why don't you Google it out? Before asking me any question, why don't you Google it out? Nikita, if you have year gap, it doesn't matter. When I was doing my masters at IASC, I have many people who have a gap of 3 years, 4 years, like that. Many people have prepared for GATE 3 times, 4 times. Generally, first timers are very less. Okay, so don't worry about it. Abhishek, it will be resumed very soon. Okay. Aman, I work for nearly 20 hours a day. When I type Ravindra Babu Rawala in Google, it is showing Ravindra Babu Rawala net worth. Then how many people have searched about it? Acha, my net worth. So my net worth is around 100 crores. And in the next 5 years, it may be anywhere around 200 crores. I hope you got the answer. Okay, fine guys. So why are people interested in my net worth? No, not only by teaching, by other sources as well, like investments. So anyway, it doesn't matter, right? Because eventually, how much ever money you have, you will not be able to spend that all in your lifetime. And basically, the person who is earning money will never find time to spend it. So, what does money really mean to me? Am I working for money, or do I have a purpose? All these questions tomorrow I am going to answer. Okay? After some point, beyond some point, money doesn't motivate you. Beyond some point, money has no meaning. Once you have 10 crores, or let us say 5 crores, and you bought your dream house and dream car, there is nothing much you could do with money. Maybe world tour. There is nothing much you could do. So tomorrow at 1 p.m. I will answer all these questions. Yes, start right away. Don't wait. Start right away. Okay? You will definitely be in top 100 in your third year. Yes, Rajni, tomorrow is the launch. Okay? Now, let's see how a client server work. Basically, client will send a request, HTTP request, and server will send a HTTP reply. So Gautam, my intention of doing all these courses is to help as many students as possible. Okay? Gautam, I think only you are asking a lot of questions. Let others also ask some questions. Piyush, the gap of 3 years doesn't matter. Prepare well for GATE, you will be able to crack it. My dream is to reach every computer science student in India. At some point, I should become a brand in such a way that any course any computer science student wants to learn will be available for free, taught by me. I am going to complete all the courses related to computer science, technologies, theory courses, BTech courses, GATE courses. Everything will be available for free. And even after I die, my videos are going to live forever, and people will be referring to my videos. Okay? Kumar, they are your parents, they can listen to you. You can fix a goal and work hard for it. Simple. Hare Krishna. Try to have a reason why you want to do something and believe that you can achieve it. These are the two things. One is the reason, and second is the belief that you can achieve it. These are going to help you. Got it? Nagendra, if you are in first year of GATE, start your preparation right away. I started my GATE preparation in my first year itself. I started preparing with C programming language, data structures. And in my third year, I was able to crack GATE with 86 rank. If you start early, it will be easy. Okay. Priyanshu, love you too. Anuj, love you. Love you so much. And guys, why are you on YouTube? Why don't you come to Unacademy platform? We can have some interesting polls. Why are you on YouTube? Yeah, Deepali, GATE will help you to get into a very good college and you'll get into a prod-based company. Gautam, no problem. Keep typing the questions. I will answer 1000 questions if you have 1000. Code Chef is good. Yes. Akash, you are not late. We have not yet started. Please tell me Unacademy live classes in hours. Just say no. Please tell me Unacademy live classes in hours. Just say no. Any age restriction in GATE? There is no age restriction in GATE. How non-IITians can get into PCB, prod-based companies? It is difficult but possible. Yeah, Hari, I have taken coaching in a coaching center, but I can't say the name of the coaching center. You know the reason, right? I have taken coaching in coaching center. Obviously, if I cracked GATE in third year, it is not possible without coaching, right? So, content in hours of live classes approximately, I think it will be around 500 or more than 500 but less than 600, 500 to 600. Yeah, Kumar, you can do that. Sir, shall third year student who are preparing for GATE go for internship in the summer? Yeah, you can go for internship, no problem. Sir, on Unacademy, people are not speaking, just waving hands. Vishal, I think you are not able to see the comments. There might be a glitch. Yeah, Vishal, I can't say what it is, okay? Love you, Kunal. How are you able to teach any subject? So these are all the subjects that I learned in BTech, right? Web technologies is a subject that I learned in my BTech. I did my BTech and MTech, and so I have learned, I think, how many subjects? 50 plus 10, 60 subjects I learned. Can electrical students prepare for GATE CSC? Yes, electrical students can prepare for GATE CSC. Kumar, there is an EMI option. You can join through EMI. Thank you so much, sir. I don't know how to prepare for GATE. Which subject should I take first? I am 2020 pass out itself. Self-study sufficient, sir. Deepali, don't go for self-study. You will not be able to crack GATE. Go for the best coaching center in India. And as of now, Unacademy is the best coaching center for GATE. Unacademy provides the best coaching for GATE. How to go to study CSC books? I am mechanical. Hari, don't read any CSC books. Just follow the videos. They will be sufficient. Okay? You will understand everything. And whenever you don't understand some concept, only that concept you can read in a book. One of my sister is looking for it. Can you guide on this? Vaibhav, what is, yeah, I can definitely guide her. Why don't you ask her to email me? My email ID is gate2014.ravindra@gmail.com. I am not able to see any comment in Unacademy. Okay, there is, I think, some glitch. Mubin? Huh? Code enter just ochidda. If you enter the code RRCS, then you are going to see the comments. Those who are not able to see the comments, enter the code RRCS. You will be able to see the code. Will you take practice questions on topic? Yes. Rohit, I'll take a lot of practice questions. Okay. Sir, play one Unacademy video. Play one Unacademy video on Windows device. Let the video run 2x. You will find the same videos. Audio same again from first and everything will be mingled. Happens only with Windows devices. Now in Unacademy couldn't see other comments, only mine is visible. Gautam, why don't you enter the code RRCS, then you will be able to see it. Sir, please tell me your daily routine. At what time you wake up in the morning? Kunal, I wake up at around 3 a.m. 3 to 4, sometime 3, sometime 3:30, but never after 4. By 4 I will be out of bed, and by 4:30 I will be in office in worst case. And I reach home by 10:30 or 11. And I work from morning to night without a break. So that is my schedule. And why am I saying this? Because I want to inspire you people. Maybe if some of you gets motivated by my routine, then so the tip for waking up is you should follow your passion. Every day is exciting for me. I can't wait to wake up. I hate being in bed, but I sleep because I want to be healthy, and I sleep for 4 to 5 hours a day. Maximum is 4 hours these days. If you have that burning desire to do something and you have the passion to do it, you don't need an alarm. To be on the safer side, every day I keep alarm at 4 o'clock and I wake up before the alarm. I think I never let my alarm ring in my sleep. I wake up, I turn it off when it rings. You can't really sleep when you have a burning desire in you. That will never let you sleep. There are two things that are important. One is you should have a burning desire, and the second thing is, so the burning desire is nothing but the reason. You should have a strong reason why you want to do something, and the second thing is you should believe in yourself that you can do it, right? Sometimes you may be having a very good reason to prepare for GATE, but you don't believe that you will be able to crack GATE. Then it is not going to happen, right? Yeah, Uday, there is 2 years course, you can register for it. And in fact, you can do all the classes 2 times. So specifically, there will be no batch, but if you join GATE 2022 batch and if you pay for 2 years, you can join any number of batches. Okay. See, there is nothing like a batch. Actually, whenever a faculty starts a new course, we call it as a batch. But there will be many classes happening in parallel and you can take any classes. Okay. Can you please make a poll for how many can see the chat? Guys, how many of you can see the chat? Just say true. How many of you can see the chat? Just say true. Okay, it means that you have not entered the code RRCS. Use the code RRCS, then only you can see the code. Yeah, Ashwant Chaudhary, we are starting a course on cloud computing very soon. Hurry, sleep every night, but sleep for 6 hours, okay? What is the answer that you are asking, Akash? No, actually unsubscribed students also can see, but the problem is they have to give the code RRCS. Acha, it is not asking for your code. It is asking for your code when you try to enter. Only mobile it is asking for the code. Laptop it is not asking for the code. Guys, why don't you log in using your mobile? It will ask you for the code. Log in from your mobile, it will ask you for the code. Love you, Ashwant. Love you. Is there any difference between batch and code? Uday, there is nothing like batches and courses actually. You can join anytime and you can get all the classes. Divyanshu, love you. Sagnik, every week there will be a new batch. Every Wednesday there will be a new batch. Hi Sri Hari, congratulations. So tomorrow morning when I take the class, say hi. Sagar, problem solving we are going to do. So in the class we are going to do problem solving, okay? Yes, it will be cloud computing with distributed systems. Divyanshu, you can, because I keep on starting the new subjects, right? So yeah. Uday, thank you so much. Vishal, test series is provided for Raudra students and Unacademy students. You have to register for the course in order to get the test series. Right time to start GATE 2022 yesterday. Yesterday was the right time to start GATE 2022. It is not today or tomorrow. I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, a person asks a farmer, what is the right time to plant a mango tree? Then the farmer replies, the right time to plant a mango tree was 10 years ago, and after that, the right time to plant it is today. Priyank, go for it. I am from ECE. Will there be any problem during admission to IIT? No, there will be no problem. There are many students from ECE department who are doing from IIT Bombay. There will be no written test. You can directly go. Create a special playlist for dynamic programming problems. I will create a special playlist for the entire algorithms course, not just for dynamic programming. Not just for DP, I'll create it for entire algorithms course. Okay. So I think when I'm taking classes on Unacademy platform, I'm getting lot of comments. People are interacting more. Pankaj, go for it. Sir, please solve my query, which is, should I close web development or ML? I have interest in both, but ML I think is more interesting. And sir, people say for ML you have to prepare for GATE and do MTech. Yeah, you have to, better if you do MTech and ML. What would be the next thing to internet, sir? Any innovations you guess? IoT. So one of the greatest inventions was internet, and the next thing was cloud computing, and the next thing according to me is internet. Sorry, IoT. Can you be my mentor, sir? Srihari, yeah, of course. I'm a mentor only, right? So I will be your mentor. There is no doubt on that. Sir, I was not able to clear JEE by studying very hard for it. Since then, my confidence of clearing any competitive exam is low. Anything can I do? Akash, you are exactly like me. When I was in plus 2, I couldn't clear IIT JEE, and when I went for BTech, I was very depressed looking at my friends who were doing well in IITs, and that motivated me actually to again write GATE. I got very motivated out of that depression, and my confidence levels were low, but I wanted to crack it badly, and so I started my preparation in first year itself. In first year itself, I decided that I should be in IITs. Okay, and I have taken coaching, I think 3 times: first year, second year, third year. I have taken coaching 3 times, and in my third year my GATE rank was 86. My BTech CGPA was very less, 75% I had, because I focused only on GATE. I didn't prepare. See, I am a below average student. Don't think that I am a genius, okay? I am a very below average student. Okay. Kunal, the invite code is RRCS. We are not allowed to write GATE in first and second year. Only in third year I was allowed to write GATE. In third year it was 86, and final year it was 13th. I was a below average student, and still my IQ levels are below average. Akash, you should give your best. Daksh, that is what you will not believe. See, you will believe that I am a below average student if you see how much I prepare for a class. If you just see the class, it looks like I am a genius. But if you look the hard work that I do for each class, you will say, अरे यार ये तो average student है, right? You will say that. Sagar, I will definitely do that. Saurav, watch my YouTube lectures. You will be able to do that, okay? Watch my YouTube lectures. Sir, I am from mechanical engineering and going to appear GATE through CSC. Devraj, excellent. There are many students who are from non-computer science background who cleared GATE computer science. Priyank, follow me on YouTube. I will make you strong in algorithms, data structures and programming. Follow me on YouTube, okay? Sagnik, join Unacademy yesterday. please join an academy yesterday. Okay, not in the next month, not today. You should join an academy yesterday. Hmm? In which month should we start revision for GATE? You can start it in October. What is your motivation? I told you, right? After I die, I want to live. I want to make videos, thousands of them, on YouTube for every subject in computer science, that even after I die, people will be watching my videos and remembering me. I want to be remembered even after I die. Anyway, we are all going to die someday, right? But I want to live after I die. I want to make the best videos for computer science. People should say, wow, this is a very easy concept, right? I want to make the number of videos which no one has ever made. By the number of hours I have the videos, I should get a Guinness World Record and no one should be able to beat me. Highest number of videos, highest quality, and reaching everyone in the world. First I want to reach everyone in India, and then I want to reach everyone in the world. See, now I am already earning money through GATE revenues, and so I don't care about anything else, any other course. I will put it for free. I don't have to make money there. What's your age? My age is 33. Mahendra, I'll be teaching. Mahendra, thank you so much. Guys, tomorrow don't miss this session at 1 p.m. Sai Krishna, you will definitely meet me. Yes, Hari, I am married. Yes, my channel is Uncode Gate Computer Science, Saurabh. Yes, Mahendra, I'll teach. I'll teach discrete mathematics, and I'll not teach engineering mathematics because there is a very good faculty doing that. I think this session has become a question answer session. So after this session is over, you can download the slides. You can go through it. Without MTech, you will not be able to land up in a good job in ML. Anirban, most of the students crack GATE in second or third attempt. There are very few students who crack GATE in the first year. Rohit, don't worry about the college. Bunk the college, leave the subjects, just maintain a percentage of 70. 70 percentage in BTech, that is sufficient. Okay. If you want to learn coding, the first language that you want to start with is C programming language. Daksh, you will get the slides, okay? So you will get the slides. You can download them. Okay guys, then you can download the slides. I will end this session. I think I have answered all your questions. There are no prerequisites for algorithm data structures. Gautam, actually, according to the tie-up I have with Unacademy, I can't provide it according to the contract. People who are working in service-based industry should resign their jobs and find something valuable, something exciting. No one should ever do a job, and no one should ever do a service-based job. That is even worse. Working in service-based companies is a crime for a computer science student. Working in service-based company is a crime. Resign it, prepare for GATE, go for MTech, and get into prod-based company, and then start your own company. I hate making full-length notes, but I know it's necessary. How can I manage? Priyam, full-length notes is actually necessary. Use the code RRCS, you will be able to download the slides. Open your mobile, use the code RRCS from your mobile, you will be able to download the slides. The first step to learn coding is C programming language. Sir, your theory of watching lectures twice is great. Once learn and then make the notes. Thank you. Sagnik, that's great. What was your worst time of your life? It can give energy to fight myself. First year of BTech was the worst time of my life because I had very good teachers in my plus 2, and then I went to BTech, and in the first year of BTech I have seen the worst teachers of my life. They don't know anything and they were teaching anything. I got very depressed. My friends were in IITs and I was in a stupid college. And out of that depression, I found my strength, and I decided then that I would be in IIT Bombay, and I took GATE seriously, and I have taken coaching 3 times. I am not a genius. I have taken coaching 3 times. Okay, and I worked hard, and in third year I got 86, and my seat in IIT Bombay was confirmed. And again I heard about IASC. Till then I didn't hear about IASC, and then I cracked again one more time for IASC, and I went there. Dinesh, study at least for 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours is good. I have 5 years of experience in a service-based company. Should I go for GATE 2020? Arindam, first thing that you should do is submit the resignation papers. Don't be in a service-based company. If you are a computer science student and if you are working in a service-based company, then it is a crime. Okay? It is not crime, it is sin. It is stronger than crime. First of all, Arindam, 2 steps. Resign the job. Step number 1. Step number 2, join an academy. Step number 3, go into IIT Bombay. Step number 4, join Google. Okay, that's the algorithm you should follow. Watching you daily is a motivation. So shall we have a this one interaction session every day? Like, let's call it coffee with RBR. Guys, shall we have an interaction session every day so that you will get motivated instead of teaching all the time without listening to you? I want to listen to you. So we'll have a coffee with RBR session every day. Okay? You can ask me any question, I will answer you. Got it? Guys, my intention is no one of you should do a job. All of you should become entrepreneurs. All of you should become rich. Money is power. Power changes everything, right? And I will tell you all the courses that you need to learn to become an entrepreneur. I want to see hundreds and hundreds of entrepreneurs coming up in India, starting companies like Facebook, Google. I want to train you in that. So shall I open an entrepreneurship cell where you can come and work with me on your ideas? Shall I open an entrepreneurship cell where you can come and you can work on a startup, basically your own idea, and you can develop it, build it? Do you want to join that entrepreneurship cell? Guys, I'm giving you a poll on Unacademy. Tell me how many of you want to join the entrepreneurship cell if I start one. If I start an entrepreneurship cell, how many of you want to join me? %100. Great. So I will think about it, I'll plan for it, and we'll start an entrepreneurship cell. Okay. Sir, do you have any offline internship plan? Let's have entrepreneurship cell which will be offline. You can come to my office and we can think about your ideas and we can implement them. Okay. While preparing for GATE, you can work for 3-4 hours on some idea, and we'll have remote students also. Okay, we'll have remote students and we can do that. I will think about something to do with it. Okay, so guys, today I'm ending the session. Don't forget to attend tomorrow's session at 1 p.m. At 1 p.m. on Unacademy, we are going to have a session about startups. Okay, bye guys, thank you. Hi, now my recorded videos are available on Unacademy platform if you take Iconic subscription. Okay, and you can access the videos only on Android app, not on iOS. Only on Android app you'll be able to see all my recorded videos, and they are very well structured and organized. So if you see this, so you can go to computer science, and in the computer science you can see what are all the subjects available. Now if you click on a subject, it is going to show you all the videos one by one, right? And you can also give your learning preferences. Okay, so learning preferences is either what is the target year and what is the are you going to learn for GATE ESC or something like that. Okay, so if you want to register for it, you can use the code RRCS and you are going to get 10% discount if you use the code RRCS. Okay, so if you are planning to buy any subscription, go for Iconic because recorded videos are available. Now along with that, you'll also get the live videos as well, so you can refer both of them. Okay. Hi, so there is a good news now that my recorded content which you used to get on Raudra platform will also be available on the Unacademy platform. Okay, so what I mean to say is, so there are two kinds of subscriptions you can go for. One is Plus and the other one is Iconic. Now Plus is all about live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving, and English and Hindi batches. This is what you are going to get if you go for Plus. Now if you go for Iconic subscription, along with all the live classes by me and many other faculty, you are also going to get the recorded content of Raudra. Okay, so whatever recorded content was there earlier of Raudra, that will also be available for you in the Iconic subscription. So along with these recorded classes, you will also get the live classes and all these benefits. And in Iconic, you have many other benefits, like you will be given a personal coach and a study planner and a dedicated doubt clearing instructors and preparatory material, study booster sessions, and personalized test analysis. So all these benefits you are going to get in Iconic. So in Iconic, you get all the live classes along with my recorded classes and a mentor and dedicated doubt answering classes. So Iconic is like you get everything. So I think no one in India is providing all these services. Okay, so take Iconic subscription. in order to get my classes, recorded classes, as well as all these benefits. And if you have already taken Plus, then upgrade it to Iconic, you are going to get all my classes. Okay. Now that is not the only reason why you should be joining Unacademy. Now if you look at it, the India's best faculty are on Unacademy. These people are all senior to me and they are all legends in their respective subject. For example, Venkat Rao sir is a legend in TOC compiler design, and Subba Reddy sir is a legend in algorithms. He is also called God of Algorithms. And Sanchit Jain sir, you must be knowing about him. He is also a YouTuber like me. And Saurav Thakur is a legend in aptitude. And Uma Maheshwara sir is the most senior faculty for mathematics, right? And similarly, we have Vishwadeep Goti also, who is teaching CO. So these many people are actually conducting live classes, and you also will get my recorded classes. And whenever you feel like any topic is not good in any of this, see, all these people will be teaching multiple subjects. So if you don't like one particular topic from one faculty, you can actually look at other faculties classes also. Generally it doesn't happen, because all these people are best at what they are doing. So generally it doesn't happen that you don't like their classes. You will definitely like them. In case if you want more choices also, you can choose. That is what I'm saying. Okay, so we are going, you have live classes which you can attend from home, and you have unlimited access to all the courses. So once there is a live class, and if you didn't attend it, then that live class will be converted into recorded video, and that recorded video will also be available for you unlimited, depending on your subscription. If you take 1 year subscription, you can watch all the videos for 1 year. And top educators are on the platform, and study material will be given to you in the PDF format, and you have exhaustive course syllabus coverage, and there will be doubt clearing sessions, and the best test series in India is available here. Okay, so the test series I personally prepare and I personally monitor, and also after every test I'm going to give you video solutions as well. Okay, and there will be answer writing sessions. So these are all the benefits. Okay, so that is why you should be joining Unacademy. Now what is the fee for it? So the fee is like this. If you are using the code RRCS, you will get 10% discount on the fee. Okay, so the fee is like this. For 27,000 only, you are going to get 1 year access for Plus, and if you want to go for 2 years, the fee is 39,600. Now coming to Iconic, where my videos are available, you have to pay 45,000 rupees in order to get the Iconic subscription, and the code is RRCS. You might feel that the fee is high, and you might feel that there are other cheaper courses available outside. But just think about one thing. Earlier people used to join Made-Easy in order to attend those faculty classes, and now they are all on Unacademy platform, and along with them I am also teaching. Earlier people used to pay 31,000 rupees just to watch my classes, right? Now you can pay just 27,000 rupees and you can get the access, and I mean you can get the classes from everyone. Okay, it is 45,000. So if you pay 45,000, you are going to get the recorded videos as well as live videos by all these people. Got it? So if you are thinking about joining for GATE, and if you are very serious about GATE, just join this program. This is the India's best program for computer science. You show me any other institute which has these many people, these are all legends, these many people teaching on one single platform for this price, I'll definitely give you a gift. Okay, if you show me some other institute, you name any institute in India, any big institute, you'll find that our faculty are the best. Okay, thank you guys.